The Manipur government has imposed Section 144 for 2 more months in the wake of fresh violence in the Churachandpur District. This decision comes as a response following an incident of clashes between 2 groups of individuals and sporadic violence reported in some places within the town areas on December 18, more particularly at Thingkhangpai village. It was reported on December 19 that on December 18, around 9:15 p.m., a small group of Zo fanatics attempted to raise the Zomi flag and spray Zogam Zolan near the memorial stone of Thingkhangpai village, a Kuki village situated amidst Zo communities. This led to a scuffle involving 50 to 60 individuals. By 9:35 p.m., the situation escalated, with nearly 1,000 plus Zo people gathering aggressively, vociferously protesting near the chief's house in Thingkhangpai. Sensing the potential for a significant clash, Kuki residents from the northern side of town Tuibong area began marching towards Thingkhangpai. At 9:40 p.m., officers along with quick response team units of Churachandpur District Police reached Thingkhangpai and successfully dispersed the crowd. 6 individuals, 2 Kuki and 4 Zo sustained minor injuries, and they were promptly taken to Churachandpur District Hospital, receiving first aid before being discharged. At about 10:45 p.m., the situation came under control and the dispersed crowd was effectively managed with continuous police deployment. Later, at about 11:30 p.m., another confrontation unfolded at Selmat Bridge, the border between Kuki and Zo people. A police team initially positioned between the 2 communities managed the situation for a brief period before the Rapid Action Force (RAF) intervened. Despite both groups pelting stones at each other, the RAF timely fired tear gas shells, effectively quelling the violence and preventing further escalation. Further, by about 12:50 of 19 December, both sides were dispersed through public announcements and show of strength. A total of 22 people were reportedly injured, with 3 to 4 individuals sustained head injuries but are stable. In response to the unrest, local authorities swiftly implemented Section 144, which prohibits the assembly of 4 or more people to prevent further disturbances and dissemination of misinformation. These measures are aimed at maintaining public order and ensuring the safety of citizens in the area. The extension of Section 144 underscores the government's commitment to restoring peace and preventing any further untoward incidents. As the district continues to grapple with the aftermath of the violence and the ongoing socio-political issues, the extended imposition of Section 144 serves as a reminder of the delicate balance between addressing community concerns and maintaining law and order. To address this situation, the Superintendent of Police SP for Churachandpur has convened a meeting at 11 a.m. today, including community leaders to discuss and find a resolution. In the meantime, Police and Central Armed Police Forces CAPF have been deployed at critical locations, ensuring that the situation remains under control.